Winter is an inevitably beautiful chapter of nature. It is dark, but that's when we admire light the most. When the least of the sun's ray reach the surface, Mother Nature decorates her realm with crispy white snow, cozy fire, fairy lights, and the warmth of your loved ones makes you feel alive and be grateful for witnessing this wild, beautiful nature. Though green hides under the shimmery white cloak, life goes on and takes a beautiful turn for those who wants to see it. So it's up to you which side of the picture you want to look at.